An 18-member delegation of the Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA visited Sri Lanka recently. Well, this visit was part of a commemorative study mission celebrating the 60th anniversary of JICA's volunteer program. Well, the delegation was from supporting organization JICA's Japan Overseas Cooperation Volunteers. They visited the Sri Lanka Nippon BizTech Institute to explore potential avenues for collaboration as part of the efforts to deepen cultural understanding and foster international cooperation. The delegation conducted 6 interactive sessions aimed at enhancing awareness of Japanese society and industry. These included engaging workshops on origami and calligraphy, Japanese tea ceremony, and a traditional Japanese comedic performance. The program also featured a lecture on the prospects of Japan's IT industry and a session on Japanese business etiquette and culture.
There was a special delegation from JICA related organization which is assisting the Japanese volunteers to conduct their activities in other countries, and particularly this year, this is the 60th anniversary of establishing this JICA volunteer program. To celebrate the 60th anniversary of this establishment, they decided to go visit Sri Lanka for a field survey and a study tour. This Japanese international cooperation activities is a symbol of how to strengthen the peace between other countries and in the world. So this is also part of that effort of Japan.